Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you how to transfer money to India with Revolut. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to access your Revolut account. Now inside your Revolut account, you should see 5 icons at the bottom center or bottom section of your screen. So you want to look for the payment section. Go ahead and click on payments. Now in the payment section, you want to go and click on the plus button you see at the top right of your screen. And from here, you want to go and just add a recipient or add a new payment. Now, depending on where you're sending, you can go and choose the appropriate one here. So, for example, you can go and choose bank recipient, or you can go and click on send international. So once you do click on one of those, it should give you the option to provide the account details. Now, go ahead and mention or indicate if it's an individual account or a business account. So if you choose individual here, you need to choose the country or region of the recipient's account. So if if the account or the person you're sending to is in India, go ahead and choose India. Now go ahead and choose the currency as well for that country or region, and also provide the international bank account number. And also provide their first name, middle names, and last name. Now make sure every detail that you're entering in here are exactly the same details that is of that recipient. So any misspells may delay your transfer. Again, make sure everything is correct. Now, again, depending on where you're sending, it may differ. Some details may be required to be entered in here. But once you click on add recipient, it should now give you the option to make the transfer. So that includes entering the amount that you want to send and also choosing the account that you want to send from. Now, if you click on the drop-down button you see under the no fee section, it should give you the option to choose which account that you want to send from. And from there on, you can also add your reference if you want to. But once you click on the continue button, it should basically allow you to review your transaction. Now, if you click on the calendar icon you see at the bottom left of the screen, that should allow you to schedule a transfer if you want. But usually in the review transfer section, just make sure that all details are correct here. And also just make sure that you agree to the fees here and also the amount that your recipient will be getting. But once you click on send, you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.